2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike, the ultimate touring machine unveiled. The 2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike emerges as the pinnacle of luxury touring, blending legendary comfort with enhanced stability and cutting-edge technology. This three-wheeled marvel is designed for riders who demand premium features, confident handling, and an unparalleled open-road experience. With its meticulously crafted design and robust performance, the 2026 Gold Wing Trike solidifies its position as the ultimate companion for long-distance adventures, promising a ride that is as smooth as it is exhilarating. $2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike MSRP. While official pricing for the 2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike has not been definitively announced, it is anticipated to reflect its premium position in the touring trike market. Given the significant engineering and technological advancements, along with the inherent cost of trike conversions, expect a competitive price point that justifies its comprehensive luxury and performance offerings. Potential buyers should consult authorized Honda dealerships for the most accurate and up-to-date pricing information closer to its release. $2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike engine. Powering the 2026 Gold Wing Trike is a refined 1833 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled horizontally opposed six-cylinder engine. This iconic flat-six powerplant is renowned for its exceptional smoothness, prodigious torque delivery, and quiet operation, ensuring an effortless and enjoyable ride across all speeds. Engineered for both exhilarating performance and supreme reliability, this engine provides ample power for spirited highway cruising and confident maneuvering, even with a full touring load. $2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike Power. While specific horsepower figures for the 2026 Gold Wing Trike have not been detailed, the 1833 cubic centimeters engine is designed to deliver substantial power for its class. Riders can anticipate robust acceleration and effortless overtaking capabilities, ensuring a dynamic and responsive riding experience. He focus remains on a broad, usable power band that caters to the demands of long-distance touring, rather than peak horsepower figures. $2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike Torque. The 2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike's 1833 cubic centimeters flat-six engine is engineered to produce impressive torque from low RPMs, a crucial characteristic for a touring machine of its stature. This ample torque allows for seamless acceleration, easy hill climbing, and confident pull away from a standstill, even when fully loaded with passenger and luggage. The emphasis is on a smooth, linear power delivery that enhances the overall touring comfort and performance. $2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike Transmission. The 2026 Gold Wing Trike will largely feature Honda's advanced 7-speed automatic dual-clutch transmission, DCT. This sophisticated transmission offers incredibly smooth and quick gear changes, enhancing both riding comfort and efficiency. It also includes a walking mode for easy low-speed maneuvering, and a reverse gear, which is an invaluable feature for a trike of this size, making parking and tight turns significantly easier. A traditional 6-speed manual transmission with reverse is also expected to be available on select models. $2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike Seat Height. The seat height of the 2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike is designed for accessibility and comfort, typically around 745 mm or 29.3 inches. This relatively low seat height ensures that a wide range of riders can comfortably flatfoot at stops, contributing to greater confidence and control, especially given the trike's substantial weight. The ergonomic design further prioritizes rider and passenger comfort for extended journeys. $2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike Weight. While precise curb weight figures for the 2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike with the trike conversion are not yet released, the standard Gold Wing models typically weigh around 800 to 900 pounds, 362 to 407 kilograms, in wet condition. The addition of the trike conversion will naturally increase this weight, contributing to its inherent stability and commanding road presence. Despite its mass, the Gold Wing Trike is engineered for balanced handling and a smooth ride. The 2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike fuel capacity. The 2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike is expected to retain a generous fuel capacity, likely around 21.1 liters. This substantial fuel tank ensures an impressive touring range, minimizing the need for frequent fuel stops and allowing riders to cover long distances with fewer interruptions, a critical advantage for cross-country adventures. The 2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike features. The 2026 Gold Wing Trike is packed with an array of premium features designed to enhance comfort, convenience, and safety. These include a state-of-the-art infotainment system with a large display, integrated navigation, Apple CarPlay, premium audio, and Bluetooth connectivity. Other anticipated features include electrically adjustable windscreen, heated grips and seats with individual controls, ample storage capacity with electronically locking saddlebags and trunk, cruise control, multiple riding modes, and advanced rider assist technologies like ABS and traction control. The 2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike chassis and suspension. The 2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike utilizes a robust and expertly engineered chassis, likely based on the diamond multi-box section aluminum alloy frame of the standard Gold Wing. The front suspension typically features a double wishbone system with a Showa shock absorber, providing excellent control and a plush ride. The rear utilizes a ProLink single-side swing arm with a Showa shock absorber, often with electronically controlled preload, which will be further optimized for the Trike configuration to ensure superior stability, comfort, and handling dynamics. 2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike design. The 2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike's design builds upon the Gold Wing's iconic silhouette, emphasizing a sleek, aerodynamic, and commanding presence. The integrated Trike conversion is seamlessly incorporated, creating a harmonious and aesthetically pleasing three-wheeled machine. Expect crisp bodywork, LED lighting throughout, and a luxurious finish that underscores its premium touring aspirations. The design prioritizes both visual appeal and practical functionality, with careful attention to rider and passenger ergonomics, weather protection, and ample storage integration.